Welcome back to the UK Brick Builder channel. Today I am going to do a review video on I think it's one of last year's Lego City sets that I found in my local WH Smiths with this sticker on. Now that's the third off, so to me that's a worthwhile set to get and review. Does have a few other bonuses built in. So this is the set that I found, and 60287, which is a tractor, a couple of minifigures, bunny rabbit, box of fruit and veg. Now obviously the fruit and veg side of it and the crate is going to come in handy with the supermarket mock that I'm doing at the moment. The tractor itself not so much, but I'm sure I will find a use for it in the long run. So let's open this up and have a look at the contents. Okay, so what you get in the box is a very typically Lego instruction booklet. Very well printed, very good looking build. 2 tyres, pre-moulded bucket piece, and 2 bags of parts. So let's start with the contents of bag 1. Okay, so here we have the contents of bag 1. Looks like we have the bits in it to make one of the minifigures, and they look like a pair of bunny ears hiding in the corner. Yep. Also looks like we've got the bits and pieces required for the box of fruit and veg. Yes, yeah, we definitely have. So we've got pineapple, not pineapple, pumpkin even, a couple of carrots, usual sort of things you'd get in a farmer's market box. There we go, and spare green stalk. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the contents of bag 1 and show you where I get up to. Okay, so there we have the built up contents of bag 1. Clearly the front mass of the tractor there. Not a bad build so far, quite enjoyable. Bag 2 looks to be as fun. Say, only real spare part from bag 1 is one of those, but bag 2 uses all the big parts, so let's get that opened up and show you the contents of that. Okay, so here we have the parts content for bag 2, which includes the farmer, it also looks like it comes with a couple of hay bales. It's the first set I've ever had these 2 stud high ribbed 4 sided pieces. We've got them in the tan and the black in this set. I do quite like those. So that's those two, and the farmer off to one side. So I'm going to put back two together, and I shall come back with my thoughts on it at the end. Okay, so there we have the full build. It's very nicely done. This part has got all the articulation that you would need. Very well done. Very good part use. See, carries the hay. Will carry the box of produce if you need it to. Probably doesn't sit best at that angle, but it does at that angle. Definitely looks good. Handful of spare parts. A couple of those I'm going to put to good use almost straight away. And this is only probably because in their infinite wisdom they probably should have suggested that you do that with the other so that they match and you don't end up with just a single red tile with a bare stud on the middle of it. Obviously the other option is to change it out for a smooth red tile. I can't really see an awful lot that I would change on this build. The only thing that I can think of that I probably might do is I'm not 100% keen on the white wheels. They probably need to be grey or a dark grey maybe. I'm sure I've got some in both those colours that I could try on it at some point. I might have a fiddle about with this, but not for a while yet, because as I say, this was built to do. This was bought so I could do the review on it, and I will be using some of these bits for different projects. Most of that should probably end up in my box for my supermarket build for the time being, mainly because I'm trying to work out what I want to do with that and what bits I might need to purchase to complete it. So they will probably be used for development side of that one. But yes, I have really enjoyed doing this one. It's obviously designed to take a trailer hitch of some sort, but it is a very good sturdy build, so you can fit the farmer in there, and generally I'm very happy with that one. I can't really see anything to fault with it. Nice little set for children to play with, and adults to be fair. So let's show you those figures in better detail. Okay, so there we have it. Set number 60287, fully built up, and very good set for anyone wanting to have a tractor in their city, or is building a city with a farm in it, it is definitely a worthwhile addition. Just because I know where it is, I quickly dug out my little chicken coop, just because it goes with the farm theme. So I shall be putting these on display as they are for a little while. But yeah, very happy with that. And if you want to see more of my review videos or my mock work, then please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up. And if you really like it, really like the video, then tell some of your friends about it and come back for more of my videos. Thank you. Bye.